How to make a face pack with moss rose to achieve youthful skin. You are beautiful because of the light you carry inside you. You are beautiful because you say you are, and you hold yourself that way. Mary Lambert. Everyone wants to have a flawless glowing face, and those who like it will see in this post how to get a glowing face with this table rose, moss rose. Moss rose, Portulaca grandiflora, is a brightly colored annual flowering plant. You can easily identify moss roses by their pom-pom shaped blossoms and succulent leaves. It is a plant grown for beauty. We can grow it normally in the home garden. They can be grown in flower pots and even in water bottles. It is a colorful plant that is easy to grow. How to call it? This plant is known as Possy rosa in Tamil and moss rose in English, and its botanical name is Portulaca grandiflora. How to make a moss rose, table rose, face mask. Moss rose: take 10 to 15 flowers. Crush the flowers well and extract the juice. Also, add 1 teaspoon of watermelon gel and 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil and mix well. Also add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of wild turmeric, and mix well. How to apply this face mask. After washing, apply this paste well on the face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, massage well and wash your face with normal water. You can use this face mask twice or thrice a week. You can expect a good change on your face when you use it. What are the role and benefits of each ingredient used in this face mask? Moss rose, table rose. Using this flower helps to get rid of dark color, pimples, pigmentation, dark circles, and dark spots on the face, and keeps the face glowing. Watermelon gel. By using this gel, the skin becomes healthy, smooth, glowing, radiant, and a good moisturizer. It is also a remedy for acne and pimples. Jojoba oil. It contains vitamin E and vitamin B, antioxidants. Lighten the skin and removes dark spots. It is used as an excellent anti-aging ingredient. Vanilla extracts. It is rich in antioxidants which neutralize free radicals and reverse skin damage caused by them. It helps to slow down signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Wild turmeric. Castoreum monjol has been used traditionally for curing acne, acne scars, and pimples, and for uplifting skin glow and radiance. How to make a moss rose, table rose, toner. Pour a tumbler of water into the pot and let it boil well. Put 10 to 15 flowers in that water. Boil the flowers until they turn white and then strain. Add a tablespoon of honey to the filtered juice and mix well. How to apply this moss rose, table rose, toner. You can store this toner in a spray bottle. Use this twice or thrice a week after washing your face well to make your face glow. Honey is nature's most revered skin remedy. It is beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin due to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities. Honey is a natural moisturizer. What are the tips for using this face pack? Just take this flower and crush it and rub it on it if you have dull, dry skin, discoloration, or pimple. The jojoba oil used in this face pack can be used twice a day for people with dry skin. For people with oily skin, use it every other day. How to overcome the disadvantages of using these face packs. If you are using this face pack, apply it on your hands first and then apply it to your skin if you are not allergic to it. It is best to use this face pack made with these natural ingredients right away. No preservative is used in it, so avoid using it in the refrigerator. Beauty is only skin deep. I think what's really important is finding a balance of mind, body, and spirit. Jennifer Lopez. Thanks for watching this video.